Hello, Patrick Walchuk here with an update on the Ottawa real estate investment market to the end of June 2025, and we'll compare that to the end of June of last year. And if you enjoy getting these videos, hit the subscription button, notification bell, and we'll get them sent out to you every 30 days. So getting right into it, as we always do, we'll start by looking at the buildings that have 2 to 4 units in them. And again, this is year to date. It's not just the month of June, okay? So we've had 75 buildings trade hands, and that's a decline of 5.1%. In actuality, it's only four buildings, so we're pretty close to last year. However, where we do see a significant number is in the average sold price, call it $921,000, and that's a decline of 7.3% over last year. However, they're selling faster. They're selling in 62 days compared to 103 last year. So what I'm seeing in this category, and I had a couple of sales in this category in May and June, and there's a lot of inventory on the market, or a fair amount of inventory. If it's priced properly, it will sell relatively quickly, but there's a lot of properties out there where the sellers still aren't into tune with reality. And I've done appraisals on a couple of properties, and I told the sellers I wouldn't even list them because they wanted a price that was too high. And you know, those properties are still on the market. You know, it's your property, you can price it at whatever you want, but there's a lot of unrealistic sellers out there. So let's take a look at the buildings that have 5 or more units in them. We've had 15 sales this year compared to 10 last year, so you know, 5 more or a 50% increase. The average price is $1,845,000, and that's an increase of 20.2%. Now, like the smaller units, these are selling faster. They're selling in 159 days, and that's the way that market has shaken out so far year to date. Thank you for watching.